Falling temperatures during the day on Thursday with the chance of a snow shower or squall. That's a cold front coming in. Wind chill will be near zero Thursday night into Friday morning, sub-zero in some areas, and weekend snow is still possible. There's a blast of cold air that comes in. Saturday, we're sub-zero in the northern plains, and this cold front comes all the way back down into central Florida. So, for the Gulf Coast with highs only in the 50s and 60s all the way back down to central Florida, some mornings that will start in the 20s and 30s. That's significant for the southeastern United States.